Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are fine. So let's begin with your English class. We are doing chapter 3 nouns number, and in that we have done with exercise A, B and C. So today we'll do exercise D first, then we shall go for exercise E. Okay, what we have to do in exercise D? We have to write the plural of these nouns. Okay, the first one is donkey. So what would be the plural of donkey? Would be donkeys. Okay, donkeys. Second one is ox. What would be the plural of ox? Oxen. Okay, oxen. Third we have baby. So the plural would be babies. Okay. Fourth is tomato, and the answer will be tomatoes. Okay. Fifth is louse. Louse would be lice. Okay. Lice means Jew. Next, sentence 6 is word 6 is country. So country is plural. Countries. We have countries as plural. 7, boy. Boy would be boys. Okay. On 8 we have fly. Fly plural would be flies. Okay. 9, story. Stories. Stories would be plural of story. Okay. Norton, tooth. Tooth plural would be teeth. Okay. So here we have solved exercise D, and let's move on to exercise E now. Okay. In exercise E we have to write the singular of these nouns. At first we have feet. So the singular of feet would be foot. Okay. Second, mice. Singular of mice would be mouse. Okay. Third, cities. City. Okay. At 4 we have halves. Singular would be half. On 5th we have loaves, which means singular would be loaf. Okay. 6, wives, which means singular would be wife. Okay. Now 7, women, woman. Okay. Woman. On 8, door. Door is already in singular, and the plural of door would be doors. So which means there will be no changes. Okay. 8 would be same, door. 9, dish. Dish is already in singular, so there will be no change at all. Then at 10, hero. Hero is already in singular, and the plural of hero would be heroes, so there would be no change. Okay. So here we have done with exercise E also. Okay, so you must learn all these singular and plural numbers, and you should try to do exercise F by yourself. Okay, I'll see you in next class. Thank you.